Throughout each individual person's journey through life, they will experience different circumstances and situations that might present challenges to overcome. The way we deal with our lives and the way we live is all our choice. We have the power to choose what paths we take, how we react to emotions, and what we are going to do. All of our personal power starts within our mind. When we change our mindset to a more positive way of thinking, we unlock an ability to change everything about the way we view life and the world. We can also attract anything into our experience through these positive intentions, and life can be magical. The person I would like to start with is you. You are a bright, powerful, amazing soul who came from a different dimension. Before you were born, you chose the family you wish to be part of here on Earth. This is your physical family, but your soul family is a vast array of beautiful beings that are all interconnected. We are all one. One love, one spirit, one consciousness. Therefore, you have all the power in the universe on your side. You can achieve anything you put your mind to, and you can be exactly who you've always wanted to be. You are an unlimited being. You are infinite. You are part of a collective consciousness. Whether you believe in God, Source, or simply the universe, you are still loved by a consciousness so much larger than the planet Earth and our whole star system and our whole galaxy. This presence cares for every single being alive on our planet and wants us all to succeed and live amazing lives. The universe cares about you and loves you for who you are and is surrounding you with angels and so many other multidimensional beings. All of these spirit guides and messengers can and do help us with every aspect of our lives. have the power to shape our future to becoming the brand new life we've been dreaming about. Our thoughts are the secret we have to unlocking our highest frequency and full potential as a human being. In our minds, we can understand the most intricate concepts and create amazing things. On the other hand, our thoughts also have the same power to destroy our life. When you are riding on the boat of life and flowing with the water and waves and allowing your life to unfold in divine magical timing, you are moving downstream. So choose positive thoughts. This is the secret to never experiencing stress, drama, pain, poverty, resistance, restrictions, and struggles. Your conscious effort to only think and believe positive things about yourself and your life will give you joy, freedom, bliss, happiness, blessings, love, peace, and fun like you would never imagine. Only allow positive and loving thoughts and experiences to be part of your life. You have the free will and power to do this. It's effortless. Once you get into your flow, life is what you make it.